How to reduce the cost of dental crowns, Europe versus Turkey. With regards to dental treatments, one of the most popular procedures patients are required to undergo is getting the dental crown. For cosmetic reasons or to repair damage to a tooth, dental crowns are a common choice for people. The cost for dental crowns can differ greatly according to where you're in. In this clip, we'll look at the price of dental crowns across Europe as well as Turkey, two destinations that are popular in the world of dental tourism. Europe. In Europe, costs for dental crowns will vary according to the location the patient is located within. The average cost of a dental crown within Europe is ranging between €500 up to €1,000 every tooth. States like Germany, France, and the UK generally have more expensive costs for dental crowns as relative to Eastern European countries like Poland, Hungary, and Romania. The material quality utilized and the knowledge of the dentist could impact the price of dental crowns across Europe. Turkey. Turkey is now an increasingly sought-after location for dental tourism recently, in large part because of the excellent dental services offered at affordable costs. The price for a dental crown in Turkey is much lower when compared to Europe, as prices vary between €150 up to €500 for a tooth. Lower costs for crowns for dental use in Turkey is not a sign of inferior quality. Turkish dentists are skilled and frequently certified in Western nations and employ the same techniques and materials similar to those of their European counterparts. Considerations to make when making a decision between Europe as well as Turkey in the field of dental crowns. 1. Cost. One of the primary things to be considered when deciding between Europe as well as Turkey to get dental crowns is their price. Although Europe might provide high-quality dental services, their prices may be exorbitant for some patients. In contrast, Turkey provides affordable dental crowns without sacrificing high-end quality. 2. Quality. Both Europe as well as Turkey have top-quality dental treatment. However, it is essential to study the dental clinic and doctor that you pick. It is important to inquire regarding the materials that are used for dental crowns, as well as their expertise. There are many Turkish dentists who have been trained in Europe or in the US and are proficient in the most recent dental practices. 3. Hotel and travel. If you are considering getting dental crowns in Turkey, then you'll need to be aware of travel and lodging cost. Include the cost of travel, lodging, and transport when comparing the price of teeth crowns Turkey against Europe. 4. Language barriers. Even though most Turkish dentists can speak English and a variety of other foreign languages, there are language barriers to think about. It is important to communicate the needs of your dentist for the smoothest and most successful dental crown treatment. In deciding the selection between Europe Turkey, when it comes to dental crowns, the final decision is based on the individual's preferences and spending the budget. Europe has high-quality dentistry, however, at a greater cost, whereas Turkey has inexpensive dental crowns without compromising on the quality. Be sure to consider all the factors like price, accessibility, quality, and barriers to speaking before choosing. In the end, the most important aspect is to select the most reliable dentist to give you the finest dental treatment with a price that will fit your budget.